Now, your 2 Works For You weather, sponsored by Executive Homes.
We are tracking snow moving into the area slowly but surely. Air's really dry here at the ground, so as the snow falls from the cloud, it's evaporating before reaching us. So it will take some time for our column to become completely saturated and that snow actually to reach the ground, and it will. And at times it could be heavy as we go through the evening hours. You can see radar showing those radar echoes beginning to move into the metro region. But we scale this down and we look at our high-resolution Doppler, and we can see some snow flurries now in the Bristow area, back towards Prague, and then the Shawnee and McLeod area, down towards Oklahoma City, seeing moderate snow at this time. Let's check in with Mike. Mike, are you starting to see any snowflakes reach the ground just yet?
Yeah, Mike. So you have that weaker banding out ahead of that main push as it goes through Stroud. And right there, that leading edge going through Stroud is right where it starts to come down, and it's coming down pretty quickly. The roads are starting to get covered already. You can see, had to get a dark background to pick it up just because we're in that weird twilight type of lighting right now as the sun's setting. And then I'll pan to the right, and you can see visibility already down to about a half mile at this point. We're just a few miles south of Stroud, and these conditions are likely approaching Stroud. And, you know, it's going to come right up the turnpike into the metro in just an hour or so, Mike.
That's right. So that snow you see right now in the Stroud area will soon be in the metro. Let's hop on over to the metro region. We have our R. Turley Roofing storm truck, which Tony Russell is in this evening. Tony, so far quiet conditions in the metro as you move closer to the city. Give us an update on what you're seeing. And so we are watching the snow travel from southwest to northeast, moving towards the city of Tulsa at this hour. And again, I'd say over the next hour, we'll start to see those snow showers begin to move in. Looking at our future track radar, this is snowfall moving into northeast Oklahoma. And as we make our way through the evening hours, those snow chances will increase, and we're going to see pretty much moderate to at times heavy snowfall all across northeast Oklahoma as we head towards the 10 o'clock hour. So when you're watching us tonight at 10, we'll be tracking snow all across northeast Oklahoma. Now going into the overnight hours, still some off and on moderate to at times heavy snowfall beginning to wind down around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then we're just going to deal with some snow flurries as we head towards the lunchtime hour, some scattered snow flurries or light snow showers. But the bulk of the accumulated snowfall will be over by morning tomorrow. How much snowfall could you expect? Well, we're looking at anywhere between about 4 to 8 inches of snowfall here in northeast Oklahoma. And you can see those snow totals accumulating during the late evening into the overnight hours tonight. About 3 to 6 inches of snowfall expected with some locally higher amounts possible. And that's on top of what we already have right now. But there is hope for a big pattern change. Let's check in with meteorologist Brandon Woolley for an update on your forecast. Brandon?
Mike, if some roads are clear of the snow right now, not many roads. Those roads are going to be compact snow with that powdery snow coming in tonight and overnight through early tomorrow morning. Take a look at our high-resolution road temperatures, well below freezing, of course, right now. Air temperatures below freezing still, 11 in Bartlesville, 13 in Okmulgee, 18 in Tahlequah. We factor in just a little bit of wind. It feels like 1 below in Bartlesville, 5 above in Okmulgee, and 2 above for our viewers in Bristow. Now, there is a difference between this system and the system we went through on Valentine's Day. Of course, we had that snow system come through with gusts upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. But this system moving in tonight and tomorrow morning is not a big wind producer. So winds all less than about 10 miles per hour. So not looking at the blowing and drifting snow that we went through on Sunday. 13 is our overnight low, easterly winds between about 5 and 10 miles per hour in the metro with increasing snow. That chance for snow at 100% as that snowstorm moves in. The daytime high at 21 degrees. Now, as Mike told you on Future Track, looks like we'll still see some widely scattered snow showers in the morning. It looks totally dry for the afternoon, and winds will become out of the northeast between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy skies and possibly a few peaks of sunshine. You can see your latest 10-day forecast. Increasing sunshine for Thursday and Friday, still holding those temperatures below freezing on on Friday with the snowpack in place, but we'll see some melting with the sunshine Thursday and Friday. And then for the weekend, low to the mid-40s, along with partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Slight chance of a few rain showers on Sunday, and then zipping on up to the 60s beginning on Tuesday, close to 70 degrees across eastern Oklahoma. So what a change going from 13 below this morning to near 70 next week. We'll be right back.